In this lecture, we will see how to edit existing audio files. It can be an MP3 file or WAV file which you got from somewhere. The process of taking an audio file is simple, you just drag the file to Audacity. That file will be opened as a new track, and you can start editing as usual. If you drag another audio file, it will open another track. Multiple tracks in the same Audacity window require a bit of a different editing process, commonly known as multi-track editing. I will discuss those features in due time. There are other options to take existing audio files into Audacity. You can see two options in the File menu, Open and Import. They work a bit differently. Let me show the import first. When you import an audio file, it works like dragging. That means it will open another track in the same Audacity window. But the behavior is a bit different when you use Open. If you open an audio file, it will get its own separate Audacity window. We see the audio is opened in a new window, and the last tracks are gone. That window actually exits, and if I drag this window, you will see it. So these were the options to open an existing audio file in Audacity for editing. There is another handy option to open recent files. Open Recent will show the latest open files and Audacity projects. Opening something from recent files will open a new window. So far, we have seen how to record audio and take existing audio in Audacity. In the next section, we will see how to edit this audio.